In this tutorial we're going to learn about glowing light with distance, detail and shadow. Here's the reference photo that we're working from. As always, you start with wet paper, and into the wet paper I'm dropping some light blue, sponging away the clouds, and while it's wet adding in the most distant tree line. This is just with yellow and blue. I'm adding the shadows of the clouds with a light mixture of Payne's grey. Next phase, adding some of the reflections in the canal, again with a light mixture of blue and Payne's grey. While that dries, I'm adding detail onto the buildings. And now the reeds in the foreground, just using a really light mixture of green. Adding in the shadows using dark blue, followed by the grass line with shadows, the hedgerow, paint gradually getting thicker as it gets towards the foreground, add in the lightest part of the tree line and then add in the shadows. Remember to keep things quite loose for that spontaneous look. Adding in the pathway. Now adding in some detail into the buildings, the canal boats, and also the flowers along the canal. With a dry brush, I'm adding in shadows of the trees along the pathway. And that's the final piece. So if you enjoyed it, if you learned something new, feel free to leave a comment or subscribe. Thanks for watching.